Hello, I'm Guy, and one of the things I found more useful for teaching English is the ABC song. Everyone knows it, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And even children who can't speak a word of English, they can sing pretty much this whole song. Why? I think it's because of the music, the melody. It's an earworm, gets in your head. So let's go. The alphabet in Portuguese. O alfabeto em português. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So the Portuguese alphabet, it's the same as the English alphabet. Classically, Portuguese words do not have the K, the W, or the Y. Only in borrowed words. And first thing is that sounds pretty similar to English, and everything that in English is D, in Portuguese it's D, right? So not P, but P. Not T, but T. Almost as if you want to close your nostrils. T. Make this face. T. Not T. T. Not V, but V. Not Z, but Z. Not C, but C. The vowels, they sound like in most languages. A, E, I, O, U. Some of them are the same as English, basically. A, B, C, D, F, L, M, N. Same as English. O, P, Q, R, S. Same. W, that's the same. A bit of a Portuguese accent. Not W, but W. That's how we say it. Which ones are unique? Well, G, right? Not G, but G. Right? My name starts with G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H is weird. H. That's why I had to put the second part, the ga, on the beat. Because it's not aga, it's aga, right? That's why the second line of the song is H-I-J-K, not H-I-J-K, no, H-I-J-K. Of course, the R is not an R and all, it's an R. Q, R, S, T, U, V, R. It's what's called a guttural R. It's kind of like a strong English H. I want to go to the hotel. Right? R. It's easier than it sounds. Sheesh is weird a bit. W, sheesh. 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 Not quite sheesh. You could get away with it. It's sheesh. Why? Probably like Greek. Ypsilon, Z, ypsilon. Whoops, I forgot a few. B, J, K, K. This is not the Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation of these letters. It's the European, right? Brazilian would be, well, pretty different. L-E-M-E-N-E-O-P. Actually, I don't know. I shouldn't pretend to know. I don't know how they would say every single letter. Yeah, another cool thing about this song is that you can loop certain parts, make it easier for you, right? You can do the 4 lines. Just repeat one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Second part. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. That one has a lot of stuff in it. Sometimes I even divide it. So first just H, I, J, K, H, I, J, K, H, I, J, K, H, I, J, K. Next half is a lot of things very fast. I mean, you might be able to do L, M, N, O, P, but then probably it's too fast. You might be cheating. And then you're practicing something that's not quite. Slow it down. L, M, N, O, P. Too fast? L, M, N, O, P. Too fast? L, M, N, O, P. Ah, that's nice. L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P. Once you've got it, you can mix both. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. One more time. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Then we have the third line. You can also divide it in halves. K, R, S. K, R, S. Oh, that R. K, R, S. K, R, S. Don't worry if you can't get the R right away. Just think of an H. R. And the second half, that one's easier. T, U, V. T, U, V. Let's put them together. K, R, S. T, U, V. K, R, S. T, U, V. And then the last one, it's not so difficult. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Let's try the whole thing. Slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S. T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. You can do it really fast if you want to. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S. T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, don't worry if you can't sing, or what usually happens, which is like, oh, I think I can't sing, right? Oh, I only sing in the shower, right? No, I can't sing or else the glass will shatter. Come on. But just, you don't have to sing what I say. You can speak what I say. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You can do that, but when you sing, it's much easier to remember because here there's a rhythm to remember, and when you sing, there's rhythm and melody. Ah, na, 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 na. Sing when no one's around. If you really don't want to sing in your head, the point is to get the song stuck in your head so you remember. And it's much easier to remember songs than just talking, right? If I would just say the alphabet, that would be very hard to remember. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Who's going to remember that? Nobody. Who's going to remember this? Everybody. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, I hope that helped. And in the description of the video and my bio, you can find some more free content. I made a little free course, an introduction to Portuguese contractions. What are contractions? Well, that's why I made the video. And you can check that out. All right, that's it for today. Até à próxima!